Home Remedies presents.
This is what happens to your body when you drink lemon water with turmeric every day. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and in today's video, I will tell you the benefits of adding lemon and turmeric to one or more of those 8-ounce glasses of water each day and how it affects your body. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. If you enrich the water with lemon and turmeric and consume this drink regularly, you will drastically increase the benefits of its consumption. How much water we need daily can vary by the climate you live in and your activity level. However, a good rule is 8 ounces of water 8 times per day. Let's see what happens to your body when you drink lemon water with turmeric every day. Benefits of adding turmeric. In the Ayurveda, turmeric is used as a powerful antioxidant that fights cancer-causing free radicals, an antiseptic, and a natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is a powerful antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer agent and has been found to be able to treat multiple conditions and diseases, from acne to digestive problems, diabetes, and high cholesterol, and it does all of this with very few to no side effects. It has also been shown to prevent Alzheimer's, dementia, memory loss, and depression. Benefits of adding lemon. On the other hand, lemon are among the most beneficial fruits on the planet. Rich in vitamin C, soluble fiber, potassium, folate, calcium, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, and various phytochemicals. Drinking lemon water with turmeric can be done on ice, hot like tea, in the morning, in the evening, with or without a meal to accompany it. The benefits are going to be absorbed by your body no matter when or how you take in this interesting flavor combination. The high citric acid levels relieve digestive issues. Vitamin C lowers the risk of heart disease and osteoporosis, improves skin health, helps weight loss, and much more. Lemons neutralize acidity in the body, strengthen the immune system, energize the body, and boost cognition and mental function. How to mix turmeric and lemon in your drinking water every day. So how much turmeric to how much lemon should you add to water every day? As little as a teaspoon of turmeric is enough to get the benefit from this remarkable spice. But you can drink more than that if you would like. Add the juice from a half of a lemon and mix both in an 8-ounce glass of water. The result will be a brownish yellow liquid that you can drink. Some people are not a fan of the flavor combination, and if that is the case, add some honey or cinnamon to the mixture to give it a different flavor. Alternatively, try some fresh mint to give it a refreshing taste. Warm water will help the turmeric dissolve better, but you can let it cool a bit before drinking it. Enjoy this healthy drink every day for some incredible health benefits. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.